Well, hello, my name is Zach, and I'm from Aurora Middle School.
So first, this is negative x, or the opposite of x. That's a white pawn. This is x, a positive x, and it's just x. And this is just a positive number, so positive 5. And this is a negative number. My first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So first, since we have these, we have legal moves, so we can add 2 of each to each side. And since this is a legal move, we can get rid of these. And we can get rid of these, since they're the pair of 0. And now we have 2x plus 3 equals 7. That's not complete yet, so we can add the opposite. Let's get rid of this 3. So we'll add a negative 3 to each side. And 7 minus 3 is 4. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So 2x equals 4, or 2 equals 2. 1x equals 2. Okay, so I have negative 3x, which is white pawns, plus 2, positive 2, equals negative 10 plus x. So first, legal moves, we'll add a white pawn to each side, so I can get rid of this thing. Those are pair of 0, so we're out. Now I want to get rid of this 2, so we'll add a negative 2 and a negative 2, and that's just 12, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so I have negative 4 equals negative 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, so negative 3 equals negative x, so
X equals 3.
Okay, so starting off, we have negative 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So since we have pair 0 on the same side, we can just get rid of those. And then I want to get rid of these regular x's. So I'll put 2 white pawns here and 2 white pawns here. These are 2 pairs of 0, so that's out. Now I want to get rid of this 5. So I'll put a negative 5 on this one, and a negative 5 on this one. This is a pair of 0, that's out. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, but since these are negatives, it's negative 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. So x equals 2. Thanks for watching my hands-on equations video, and smash that like button.